Why shop at Amazon? Well, it's certainly one of the most convenient places to shop given the fact that it's the world's largest online retailer, but also because it offers free 2-day shipping for Amazon Prime members, and it's offering deals in a number of categories that most of its competition can't match. Get ready to seize the massive discounts and deals on various categories such as mobiles, electronics, laptops, home appliances, televisions, and many more. Don't forget to leave a comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.